Hello everyone, let me introduce with the company first. FinPay is a brand of fintech banking and financial services who provides B2B solutions in Pan India. Our fintech partners can earn commissions and also can assist people to use our services. FinPay provides easy banking platform through its mobile application and web portal. Using FinPay, customers can fulfill all the banking needs of a consumer, like AEPS, that is Aadhaar Enabled Payment Services, DMT, that is Domestic Money Transfer. There are also facilities like mini ATMs, prepaid cards, bill payments, and recharges. Merchants can also make PAN cards and sell insurance through FinPay. Actually, our vision is to solve the banking problems faced by the rural people. We solely want the rural consumers to avail the banking services easily. Our mission and vision is to deliver digital banking software, educate the individual on digital infrastructure, and having banking outlets at every streets of the society. We want to empower every individuals to become our next entrepreneur of India. DMT is domestic money transfer process through which consumers can transfer money to any account at any time. FinPay helps you become an authorized merchant to transfer fund and authorized cash management partner of FinPay. As you can see, FinPay is an easy and simple application by which consumers can transfer money without any harassment. As you can see, here are some benefits of DMT. It gives opportunity to transfer money instantly. It is available 24 into 7. It can be used in any holidays. And it is also safe and secure to transfer money through FinPay. We also provide free SMS service after every transaction made through FinPay. Now comes AEPS, which is Aadhaar Enabled Payment Services. Through this service, consumers just need to provide their Aadhaar card details along with the bank details and can enjoy whatever banking services they want. Here are some benefits of AEPS. By AEPS transactions, our partners can enjoy high commissions. Investing small, they can get big return. FinPay partners can also register for AEPS service to convert their shop to a mini ATM. Through AEPS service, consumers can download mini statement of their bank accounts and can deposit money securely. They can also do balance inquiry through this service. Here you can see some services of AEPS. These are balance inquiry, mini settlement, and cash withdrawal. For enjoying AEPS service, customers just need to provide their 12-digit Aadhaar number and bank details, and in a second they can enjoy any type of banking services. Mini ATMs are just like the ATMs in which consumers need to swipe his ATM card and can have any banking services from our FinPay customers. Our partners will get best commissions on each withdrawal through micro ATM. Just like the ATMs, the micro ATMs also accept all types of cards and provide a quick transaction. Here you can see the facilities you can get through a micro ATM. It is a quick and secure transaction. It gives high commissions to the customers, and consumers can get free support for any transaction through micro ATM. Services of a micro ATM are cash withdrawal, balance inquiry, Aadhaar seeding, and mini statement. As you can see, to use micro ATM, Consumers just need to complete a verification process, and after that, they can enjoy any banking services. Fintech prepaid cards are powered by Federal Bank. In these type of cards, consumers do not need any bank account to link with. They can just recharge their cards and use it in shopping, bill payment and recharges. Here are some features of prepaid cards. These are zero balance cards. These cards can be activated easily. By these cards, you can pay anywhere. You can make any type of online payment at any web portal by these cards. Using these cards, consumers can get attractive discounts and cashback offers. Through our application, our partners can also sell insurances. As you know, insurances provide financial protection and reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. Here you can see some key benefits of FinPay insurance sales. It is easy and time saving, and by it, merchants can get instant quotation and free training for the first month. As you know, there are many types of insurances like life insurance, term insurance, health insurance, car, travel, home insurances, etc. FinPay merchants can provide PAN card services. FinPay provides services related to the application of PAN card. FinPay is a leading PAN card agency provider, and with us, our merchants can start an online and authorized PAN card center. Through our service, merchants can open retail outlets in various towns to assist applicants in PAN card application process. Here you can see steps of PAN card application. Applicants need to go through the mentioned process and can easily apply for the PAN card. Here are some benefits of a PAN card center. There are efficient and helpful service staff to guide the applicants. Our partners can earn high commissions on each PAN card application. Our channel partners are Merchant, DSA and Super DSA. FinPay merchants can enjoy the mentioned benefits. They can accept and send electronic payment. They can make bill payments, recharges, and can get high commissions. They can get equipped with a wide range of cashless digital services. FinPay DSS can enjoy instant and real-time balance upload, can get dedicated support team. They can create real-time retailers and get attractive commissions. That's all for today. Thank you.